Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that could easily become a staple in your beauty routine. The Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil in medium brown promises to help you achieve those perfectly sculpted brows with ease. Whether you're going for natural, soft brows, or more defined arches, this pencil is designed to fill, define, and shape. Let's see how it holds up in real-world use. Now let's talk about the product. The Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil features a teardrop tip, allowing for precision when filling in your brows. The pencil is complemented by a spoolie brush on the opposite end, perfect for blending and softening the pencil for a more natural finish. The formula is creamy and smooth, designed to glide on without tugging, and it promises a soft, defined look. But how well does it really perform? Incorporating it into my beauty routine was a breeze. The pencil itself has a smooth, soft texture that allows for easy application. I love that it glides on effortlessly without needing much pressure, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned brow enthusiasts alike. The spoolie on the other end is a great addition, helping to blend the product seamlessly and soften any harsh lines. I tested it throughout the day to see how it held up, and I was impressed with its staying power. It didn't budge or fade, and the medium brown shade was a great match for my brows. As for the pros, the pencil is highly pigmented, so you don't have to layer it on to get the color payoff. The teardrop shape of the pencil is easy to maneuver, whether you want a fine detailed line or a thicker application for fuller brows. The spoolie is also a nice touch, making blending super easy for a softer, more natural finish. But let's not forget the cons. While the pencil glides on easily, I found that it can sometimes create a slightly waxy finish if you're not careful with how much product you use. It's not a huge issue, but it's something to be mindful of if you want to avoid that heavy, overly defined look. Also, since the pencil is not retractable, you'll need to sharpen it regularly to maintain that precision tip. This can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you're on the go. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil is a solid option. It's affordable and delivers consistent results with the added bonus of the spoolie for blending. You get a high-quality product without breaking the bank, and that's always a win in my book. If you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of eyebrow pencils at a similar price point, but the added spoolie on this one sets it apart. Some other brands might offer eyebrow pencils with similar color payoff, but few combine precision and blendability as seamlessly as this pencil does. Now, let's talk about the build quality. The packaging is simple but sturdy. The pencil feels light and easy to handle, which is important when you're working on those tiny brow hairs. As for longevity, I've used this pencil for several weeks now, and I haven't noticed any wear or loss of color payoff, which is a testament to its durability. Maybelline's customer service is generally well regarded, so if you ever run into issues or need help with a product, you can expect prompt and helpful support. Although I didn't need to interact with them directly, I've always found their team to be responsive. As for product updates, there haven't been any major changes that I know of, so the formula and packaging remain the same. If you're on a budget, you can find similar eyebrow pencils from other brands like NYX or ELF. These products are a little cheaper, but still offer good performance. However, if you want a product that combines precision and blendability with that extra convenience of the spoolie, the Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil could be worth the extra few bucks. So, what's my final verdict? If you're looking for an eyebrow pencil that's easy to use, gives you great color payoff, and lasts throughout the day, this is a fantastic option. It's versatile, reliable, and definitely worth considering if you want to define your brows without the hassle of a complicated routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase the product in the description box. And if you've used this eyebrow pencil, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on the product. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.